man's be doing ATB, motherfucker.
Every great story evolves, and today, so do we. If you are new here, we're a community dedicated to keeping classic BMWs alive and thriving. It all started with two £500 BMWs and a dream to rescue forgotten legends. What's up YouTube? Today we are talking about change, and it starts right here with the logo that's been with us since day one. So why are we changing it? And what's the story behind it? And most importantly, what does it mean for ATB? So stick around, as it's a chapter you do not want to miss. Our first logo was inspired by BMW's propeller emblem, coloured in ATB's amber, teal and bright red. It symbolises our connection with BMW heritage and our own unique spin on it. Here is a quick comparison of our logo against BMW's logo, and you can see the resemblance and the similarities. So as ATB grew from two £500 BMWs to the UK's biggest 7 Series event, this is more than a logo change, it is our evolution. We wanted to honour BMW's legacy while stepping into our own future. It was time for a bold change. Our first attempt? A Bavarian modified logo with the M Sport colours. We designed this logo for a BMW specialist who did repairs on BMWs and all sorts of BMWs from new age to old age. So we used that design and then we put our letters on there. So we used ATB in essence with the M Sports colours. Now, we asked our community, we asked our people, what do you think about this logo? And the feedback was clear. It was to stay with our roots. We quickly learned something important. Those amber, teal and bright red colours, they were a big part of our identity. The new design didn't feel like us, so it was back to the drawing board. We revisited the original design and colours, but we needed a fresh take. The centre of a BMW logo represents a propeller, a nod to their origins in aircraft engineering. Inspired by this, we explored different interpretations. A fan, a ceiling fan, even strips mimicking blades. None of it clicked. After countless iterations and input from our in-house design consultants, we landed on the perfect solution. Rounded fan blades forming a plus sign in the centre, all of our signature bold colours. The result? A design that's undeniably ATB. Bold, impactful and true to our roots. As you can see, we tried lots of designs and took a lot of inspiration from BMW and BMW propellers. But here it is, after all the efforts and all the hours that we've put in, this is the logo that we are going with. This logo represents where we started and where we're heading. It's modern yet familiar, and it's built to stand the test of time. But we're not stopping here. One idea we're playing with is animating the propeller to spin like a propeller to symbolize motion and evolution. Who knows? The next version might even feature an actual wheel. That's the beauty of creativity. It's always in motion. So, thank you for joining us on this journey. Your support means everything to us, and we can't wait to see what the future holds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss our next video. Until next time, keep building, keep driving, and keep the passion alive. See you on the next one.